Hey there Pixel pals, ready to take your Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera game to the next level? Buckle up, because I've got a treasure trove of tips and tricks that will turn your ordinary snaps into photographic masterpieces. From quick shortcuts that'll make you the fastest shooter in the West to unlocking the secret 50 megapixel camera. It's time to delve in and discover the magic your Pixel 8 camera has been hiding, because every shutterbug deserves a few tricks up their sleeve. Here's a list of a few Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera tips that are guaranteed to impress your squad. Jump to camera. Picture this, a fleeting moment, and you need to capture it in an instant. Forget fumbling through lock screens and menus and simply press your phone's power button twice from any screen and voila, your camera opens swiftly, ready to seize the moment. If you want to enable this feature, then follow these steps. Open your settings app, scroll down and go to system. Then open gestures. Tap quickly open camera. Toggle on quickly open camera. Quick tap. Think of Pixel's Quick Tap as a secret handshake with your phone. Just tap its back twice and boom, things happen. Want to silence music? Open the camera? You got it! Double tap style. Ready to open your phone's camera in style? Follow these steps. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Head to your Pixel settings app, scroll down and tap system. Tap gestures. Find quick tap to start actions. Open the option and toggle it on. Scroll down and select open app. Then choose camera app. Flip Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera. Switch between front and rear cameras seamlessly by twisting your camera phone twice while the camera app is open. This intuitive gesture ensures you capture both your perspective and the world around you effortlessly. Hands-free selfie using palm timer. Are your hands occupied but you still want that perfect selfie? Enter the palm timer feature. Activate it, position your phone and give it a wave. The camera snaps your shot, hands-free, making selfie taking a breeze. If you want to enable it, then follow these steps. Open the Pixel's camera app, ensuring that you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Position your face within the camera frame, ensuring clarity and a well-composed selfie. Raise your hand in front of the camera with your palm straight and facing the camera lens. This action signals to the camera that you're ready to capture the perfect shot. As you raise your palm, a yellow box will appear around it in the camera viewfinder. This signifies that the palm timer is activated and the countdown will commence. When the timer reaches 0, the camera will take a photo, freezing the moment effortlessly. Google Assistant magic. Unleash the power of Google Assistant for hands-free photo commands. Simply say, "Hey Google, take a selfie," and watch as the camera app opens with a 3-second timer. Similarly, for rear camera photos, say, "Hey Google, take a photo," and capture the moment with ease. 50 megapixel camera, exclusive to Pixel 8 Pro. For Pixel 8 Pro users, there's an extra treat, the 50 megapixel camera. By default, Pixel 8 Pro uses the 12 megapixel camera, but you can change it to 50 megapixel. Here are the steps to do so. Open the camera app and switch to photo mode. Tap on the quick settings button in the bottom left corner. Navigate to the Pro tab. Under resolution, you'll see the default 12 megapixel setting. Choose the mighty 50 megapixel option. Volume up and down button. This may be a classic technique, yet it remains quite useful. Simply press the volume up or down button while attempting to capture a selfie. And the same applies to photography with the rear camera. For those of you who made it this far in the video, here's a bonus tip. WhatsApp tends to compress photos, diminishing their quality. To share high quality photos without compromise, head to the photo gallery. Select the desired photo, hit the share button and choose create link. Share the link via WhatsApp, allowing recipients to access your photo in their full glory. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.